Magento is one of the most preferred platforms for e-commerce website development. With the right customizations, you can significantly elevate your customer experience. In this video, we provide you with practical Magento customization tips that optimize your checkout process. Wondering how to increase the conversion rates? Let's get to know how. We begin by discussing how to make your Magento checkout smooth and efficient. Removing unnecessary elements like excessive images, ads, or form fields can drastically cut your site's loading time, rendering a fast and efficient platform for your users. Remember, a fast-loading website leads to more sales. Introduce a progress bar for mobile checkout. It gives customers a sense of control and keeps them engaged, thereby increasing the chances of transaction completion. To avoid cart abandonment, simplify your checkout process. Only ask for necessary information and make the process less demanding for your customers. Using one-account shopper purchases and pre-filled fields can offer a personalized checkout experience and lead to increased conversions. Offering last-minute promo codes or multiple payment options can be game changers. A clear order summary and assurance of payment security can also encourage users to complete the transaction. In the next section, we explain how to enhance user experience with Magento customization. Provide users with a simplified checkout process using Magento's one-step checkout option. Optimize the guest checkout process and update the shipping information to enhance the user experience. Design plays a big role in rendering a smooth and efficient checkout experience. Your checkout page should be mobile-friendly and responsive, with logical information organization. By following these Magento customization tips, you can ensure a significant improvement in the conversion rate of your online store. And that's all for today. Remember to hit the like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for joining us and stay tuned for more.